Hey Toby, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good. So what demonstration are we doing today?
Sugar snake.
Sugar snake. That sounds interesting. What are we going to put in to do the sugar snake demonstration?
NaHCO3.
And what's NaHCO3?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Which is also known as?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. So it's also known as baking soda. And what do we put in there?
Sugar.
We put sugar in there and then we mixed it, right? So how'd you mix it? There you go. Nice job. Okay. So now you're going to open it. So go ahead and open it. You got it? There you go. Now put some into a little fuel packet. So we're going to do that. Get closer here. You put some in there?
Yeah.
That was a good job. Hey, nice job. Okay, go ahead and close the container. I'm going to get a flame. Let's see. Just to prove that it's real flame, right? Woo, on fire. Okay, so take that end. Now stand to the side, and you touch it to the flame.
Is it working?
Not yet. I'm trying to get it to work. I'm trying to get the fuel to ignite. Let's see. Now it's going. You seen it?
So weird.
It is so weird, right? It's like a snake growing out of the bottom of the fuel, right? Look how big it's getting.
Although I don't really see the snake part.
It's a long tube, Toby.
Yes.
Yeah. That's
yes,
it.
I see that.
That's all it is. A big tube.
I see how
Tube
it's
snake.
a tube.
So do you know what that black stuff is?
What?
What atom in that is? Do you know
No.
what is black? Have you ever seen charcoal?
Charcoal?
Like in barbecues?
No.
Daddy doesn't barbecue very much since he's a vegetarian.
No, but I've seen coal.
Yeah, coal. Right? Do you know what atom coal is made out of?
That's what this is? Coal?
Do you know what coal is made out of? It's carbon. So what atom is this made out of?
Carbon?
Carbon, that's right. Carbon is in the structure of all living things on our planet.
That coal thing.
And the carbon dioxide that came from the baking soda, that carbon dioxide's making the snake bigger. So it looks like you're making a huge thing out of something small, right? See look how long that snake is. It's cool. The fuel's almost done. We have to wait for the fuel to go out. But that's pretty much the whole demonstration right there.